For this video, I am going to teach you how you can create a new audience in MailChimp. So first things first, what you need to do is to simply head over to MailChimp.com and then just log in into your account if you do have one. But if you don't have an account yet, I just create a new one using your credentials or your information. So after that, after successfully logging into your account or after creating an account, what you need to do is go to the homepage, or you'll be then be prompted to go to the homepage, which is the section right here, as you can see on my screen. So once you are in here on the left side bar of your screen under audience, what you need to do is to go to the all contacts section. So in here, just locate this add contacts button situated on the upper right corner of your screen, or you can also do that by clicking this add contacts section right here on the center part of your screen. Click onto it, and then you'll have two options. So you have import contacts, and you can also add a single subscriber. But for now, we are going with import contacts. So now in here, you'll be also going to see, or you also going to see three different options. So you can import different contacts from other services. You can also upload a file or copy and paste your information or your contacts. So I'm going to show you what will happen once you go for the import from other service option. So hit continue. So then you'll be able to see this different third-party apps or third-party websites that you can use or you can integrate with in or to import your existing contacts here in MailChimp. So you have Salesforce, you have WooCommerce, Shopify, and so on. So if you do want to use some of this third-party websites right here, you can just simply hit the add button situated on the bottom part of it. For example, Salesforce, just hit this add button and then just go through all of the process that you need to do. So now I'm just going to go back, and what I'm going to show you is how you can copy and paste a contact right here. So select copy and paste, hit continue, and then on the section right here, you'll be able to see the format that you need to follow. So you need to do is to type in the email address first name, last name, and then the address of the contact. So I'm just going to do just that. So I have now copy and pasted the information of my contact. So I'm just going to tweak some of this right here and delete the comma between the address details. So there you go. So I have first the email address of my contact, the first name, last name, and lastly the address, the complete address of them. So I'm going to continue to organize. You just need to do that also and wait for a few seconds. So you can opt to update any existing contacts. So it says right here that they'll automatically replace their information with the data from your import. Otherwise, these duplicates won't be imported. So I'm not going to do that. Continue to tag and then search to create tags. So I have here these existing tags. So I'm just going to select from here. So I'm going with the customers 2024, continue to match. Now after matching every information of your contacts in every column for the email address, first name, last name, and then the address, make sure that all of these are correct first before you continue. And once you have done that, click continue subscribe. I'm just going to set or select the email marketing status for my customers or for the contacts I've added. So I'm going to use subscribed. So after that, hit finalize import and complete import. And then just wait and load it for a few seconds. Now there you go, your import was successful. And if you wanted to view your imported contacts, hit view imported contacts. And then you should be able to see that on your list of audience or contacts in your MailChimp. So there you go. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.